Our new sofa is finally here. It came delivered in multiple packages, making it easy to fit through our front door. And it was so easy to set up, we had this done in like 45 minutes. The seats individually detach so you can rearrange it to your space. More seats, take them away, make it into a love seat. Great thing about a modular sofa is they're really easy to move around. You can turn it into 2 couches for game night, a bed, a love seat, whatever you need. And it's kid and pet friendly, so if you have spills, you can take off the back cover, take off the seat cover, put it in the washer, stick it back on, so you don't have to worry about getting it dirty. The cushions are super soft and durable, giving you seated support and good for your posture. My cats love how soft this material is, and I love how it adds the perfect amount of coziness to our room. What I love about HONBAY sectional and sofas is they have a variety to choose from. Every color, every texture, every style to fit your personal taste. They even have ones with storage in the seats, offering a space-saving solution for smaller homes. I love how easy it is to rearrange the house now, even if we move, and how easy it is to clean. It's the final touch we needed to make our apartment feel like a home. Check out the link in the bio to find the perfect HONBAY sofa for you.